be showing you our April 2014 Awesome Abs Challenge. If you want to find the workout and the information and the days to do every single day, you can look on our website, mountaingirlfitness.com, or it's also on our Facebook page. Okay? I'm just going to walk you through each of the exercises. There's 6 for the month. The first one is sit-ups. Okay? Hands are going to be right here on your temples. You're just going to come all the way down and all the way up. Okay? Might be a struggle for you at first, but the idea is to get better and better at that throughout the month so that by the end of the month you can do it keeping your heels on the ground. Okay? If you do it and your heels accidentally come up, that's okay. Okay? But you want to work towards getting that down by the end of the month. Okay? Our second exercise is called a V-up. It's also called a wide leg sit-up. So we're just going to be here. Okay? Hands again are on your temples. You're going to sit down, back, come up, reaching over the one leg. Again, back down and up over your right leg. So over your left leg, over your right leg, that's 1. Okay? Next exercise is a Russian twist. Very similar to an ab twist. Okay? Only you're not actually going to touch the ground. With a Russian twist, arms are straight up. Okay? Again, this is the easier version, heels on the floor. Here, you're just going to lean back in boat pose. Okay? Left, middle, right. Okay? That's 1. Harder version is bring those heels up. Same thing. You're here, left, middle, right. Okay? Next one on the list is crunches. We're just doing a basic crunch. Okay? Different variations here. If you want to bring your heels up, that's okay. Again, hands on our temples. Nice little crunch, or heels down. Okay? Make sure you're not putting your hands behind your head and squeezing and pulling on your neck. Okay? Next one is a heel tap, working our obliques. So you're just going to bring those shoulders off the mat, nice little reach, touching those heels. Again, counting method for that is right, left equals 1. Okay? And the last one we're working on is a plank. Okay, we have 4 different variations. Here's the easiest. We're right here, okay? Making sure I'm stacking my shoulder over my wrist, right here. If you want a little bit more, coming down on those forearms, okay? Next version, right here. And the last one, we're here. Very important.